love it. Is this your wedding dress? Are you saying yes to the dress? Saying yes to the dress. Get up here some food. I think this dress is really fit anywhere. So it's not really going to help me figure out location. Now I got to plan this thing. I am absolutely the right choice with this dress. Can you help me?
So, back what I was saying. I'm about to eat some cereal. I'll hit you guys back in a minute. Hey guys, I didn't make the cereal yet, but I'm about to. I'll hit you back in a minute. Hey guys.
It's all about the business. The farm is flying. I get around. It's a ride. I'm not a virgin, by the way. Just by the way, I'm not. I'm not a virgin, by the way.
So, put the headphones on there. So I'll watch something on my time. I just got done fixing my cereal. I eat Reese's Puff and this peanut butter Reese's Puff. They're good. They're really good.
Alright, you see that scooter? Yes. Just get on it. That's what you're gonna use to follow people around the store and help them. Whoa, that's it. How about he's not allowed to stop? Oh yeah. You're not allowed to stop.
2 minutes, lucky. I got jump. I'm not feeling good.
Okay, just let me know if you need any help, okay?
Take off.
Sir, do you need any help?
And then the boys pass.
Excuse me. Filter's coming. Mark, is your leaf blower? Is your leaf blower going? Pick that up. You can't control it. It won't shut off. Yeah, it's broken. There you go. Now just the last customer for that. Can you check on the,
Bye, guys. That's a train outside. Bye guys, love you.